Namaste everyone. In today's video, we are going to be practicing 5 important asanas that you should practice every day to help you get rid of your back pain. आज हम ऐसा 5 आसन अभ्यास करेंगे जिससे आपका बैक पेन निकल जाएगा. Now, if you have back pain because of any injury or spinal issues, I would always suggest consult a doctor and then you can come and practice these asanas. अगर आपको इंजुरी की वजह से या स्पाइनल इश्यूज की वजह से बैक पेन हो रहा है, पहले आप एक डॉक्टर को कंसल्ट करिए, फिर उसके बाद इस अभ्यास को कर सकते हैं. Now before we begin the practice, let's understand why back pain happens. Now the spine is supported by the muscles. Now when the muscles become weak because of wrong posture or a sedentary lifestyle, it causes chronic back pain because the load goes more on the spine. देखिए हमारा बैक को बैक मसल्स हैं और स्पाइन है, इस दोनों सपोर्ट करता है. अगर सेडेंट्री लाइफस्टाइल की वजह से या मसल्स वीक होने की वजह से पूरा लोड अपना स्पाइन में चले जाता है, इसकी वजह से बैक पेन ज़्यादा होता है. सो आज का सेशन में हम बैक और कोर मसल्स को स्ट्रेंथन करने में ऐसा 5 आसन करेंगे. In today's practice, we are going to be strengthening our back muscles right from the neck to the lower back and also your abdominal muscles so that your posture becomes strong and all the muscles also become very strong. I am Mayur Karthik, head trainer of Shri Shri School of Yoga and faculty with the Art of Living. शुरू करते हैं. Let's begin with couple of minutes of warm ups. Slowly start jogging. हल्का सा jog करना शुरू करिए and start shaking the whole body. Take the hands up, shake them, loosen up the whole body. पूरा शरीर को लूज करिए. Keep a smile. This is very, very important. When you smile, the whole body relaxes. And slowly start twisting. हल्का सा मुस्कान रखिए, शरीर को ट्विस्ट करिए. And let go. Let's do some joint rotation. Hold your hips, breathe in, look up, श्वास अंदर ऊपर देखिए. Exhale, look down, नीचे देखिए, श्वास छोड़िए. Up, down, up, down. And slowly start rotating your head from the right side. सिर को घुमाएं गोल गोल. Remember, when you're rotating, do it along with the breath. And reverse, Viparit Disham. And relax. Now let's start rotating our arms. हाथ को गोल गोल घुमाएं. Take your hands all the way up, bring the hands close to the ears and take it to the back. And reverse, Viparit Disham. And let go, relax. Move the legs a little away from each other. Take the hands up, interlock the fingers and stretch yourself up. हाथ को ऊपर खींचिए. Now keep breathing and gently bend to your right side and left side. दाएं तरफ झुकिए और बाएं तरफ. 3 times. And slowly come back to the center, relax your hands. Now let's twist the upper body all the way to the right and left. You will hear some tuck tuck sound from your spine. शरीर को अच्छे से ट्विस्ट करिए दाएं बाएं. And slowly relax. Bring the legs close to each other and slowly start rotating your waist. कमर को गोल गोल घुमाएं. Feel the stretch. That's very important, right? Whatever movement you are doing, wherever you feel the stretch, keep the mind there. Doing it mindfully along with the breath is very important in yoga. and let go. Now you may gently bend down from the hips and like a spring move the body up and down. You don't have to go all the way down. हाँ, हल्का सा ऊपर नीचे शरीर को लेके जाएं. And slowly and gently come back up. Now let's move the legs a little bit. Let's swing the legs, right leg to the front and back. Now if you are losing balance, what you can do, you can stretch your hands to the sides. This will give you balance. हाँ, अभी हम पैर को आगे पीछे घुमाएंगे, loosening up your hip joint and relax. Now the left leg. And let go. Last movement for the foot. Rotate your right foot, दाएं पाँव को घुमाएं गोल गोल, clockwise direction and reverse. Are you still smiling? That's very important, huh? And let go. The other leg. Do as much as you can. That is very important. You don't have to do exactly everything that I am doing. Reverse. The most important thing in yoga is doing as much as we can. जितना हो सकता है उतना ही करिए. Right? Shall we begin with the asanas? Let's sit down. आराम से बैठ जाएं. Now let's lie down on the tummy. पेट की बल लेट जाएं. And place your palms under your shoulders on the mat and elbows close to the body. हथेली कंधों के नीचे मैट के ऊपर. We'll do the Bhujangasana. As you breathe in, first lift your head up, then the chest up and then the navel up. Now once the navel is off the mat, you can stop there, you can hold. And roll your shoulders to the back and down and look up. And make sure your legs are a little close to each other. भुजंगासन में विश्राम करिए. कंधों को कान से दूर लेके जाएं, पीछे लेके जाएं और ऊपर देखिए. Now move your shoulder blades towards each other and feel your middle back and the upper back becoming stronger. Now stay here for at least 5 breaths. Now if you are finding this difficult to stay longer, so what you can do, you can come down and repeat this 2-3 times. Alright? Now those of you who can, stay here. Now for those who find it difficult to put the weight on the hands, what you can do, you can stay on the forearms. जिन लोगों को हथेली में पूरा वजन को डालना मुश्किल लग रहा है, आप पूरा हाथ को ज़मीन पे रखिए. सरल भुजंगासन. Keep breathing. And slowly and gently as you exhale, come down. If you wish to, you may repeat this one more time. अगर चाहे एक और बार कर सकते हैं. Breathe in, come up, breathe out, stay here. Relax in the pose. And as you exhale, you may slowly go down. Now stretch your hands to the front. हाथ को आगे stretch करिए. Now for the second pose, we will do the Superman, Super Yogi and the Superwoman pose. Now in this what we will do, we will lift the whole body up. Alright. Now for those of you who find this difficult, what you can do is, you can do the simple Shalabhasan where you make a fist, tuck it under the thighs and you are only lifting the legs up, the upper body is relaxed. जिन लोगों का सुपरमैन पोज विपरीत शलभासन मुश्किल है, आप नॉर्मल शलभासन करिए. Alright. So this is the easy version. So others can get ready. Stretch your hands to the front and lie down. Now bring the legs a little close to each other. पैर को पास पास रखिए. Now as you inhale, lift the whole body up, just resting on your abdomen. And as you exhale, stretch your hands forward Straighten the knees, stretch your feet to the back. Stay here, feel your entire back, shoulders, glutes, hamstrings, everything becoming stronger. पूरा शरीर इसमें मजबूत हो रहा है, उसको महसूस करिए. And slowly come down, relax, नीचे आ जाएं, विश्राम करिए. और धीरे धीरे पीठ की बल लेट जाएं. Slowly roll over to your back. Now gently bend both your knees. We'll do the bridge pose or the Setu Bandhasan. दोनों घुटनों को मोड़िए. And keep your hands close to the body and close to the heels. Toes facing to the front. हाथ को शरीर के पास रखिए. Now gently push your lower back down to the mat. हल्का सा lower back को ज़मीन पे दबाएं. Neck relaxed. Now as you inhale, activate your buttocks, your glutes, and lift your hips up. And you can bring your shoulders close to each other and keep lifting the hips up. And feel a nice contraction in the back side of the body, lower back, your glutes, your hamstrings. And keep breathing. धीरे धीरे कमर को ऊपर उठाएं और श्वास को अंदर बाहर लेते रहिए. Relax the body in the pose. And slowly and gently bring your hips down and stretch your legs out. धीरे धीरे वापस नीचे आ जाएं, पैर को सीधा करिए. Now we will do something to strengthen the abdominal muscles. हमारा पेट की मसल्स को थोड़ा मजबूत करेंगे. Now gently lift both your legs up. दोनों पैर को ऊपर उठाएं and slowly start making circles with your feet like you are cycling. हल्का सा पैर को गोल गोल घुमाना शुरू करिए. Medium circles. 10 times in one direction and then change the direction. विपरीत दिशा में भी घुमाएं पैर को. And relax. Now we will do the Naukasana to strengthen the abdominal muscles. First let me show you a simple version. For those of you who will find the regular Naukasana difficult, you can do this simple version. पहले आपके लिए एक आसान version सिखाऊंगा, फिर normal version दिखाऊंगा. So the easy version is where you are rested on your elbows. हमारा कोनी में रेस्ट करके कोनी के ऊपर वजन डाल के पैर को ऊपर उठाएं. This is the simple version. You lift your legs up, resting your entire body weight on your elbows. Right? This will strengthen your lower abdominal muscles. This is also very important to give support to your lower back. All right? Now, let's get ready. Those of you are doing the normal version, take both your hands up over the head. Inhale, breathe in, and as you breathe out, bring your hands up to the front, lift your legs, lift your upper body up and hold here. Legs in one, knees straight, back straight, your toes, your hands and eyes in one straight line. Keep breathing. Smile on your face. पूरा शरीर को नाउकासन में पकड़ के रखिए. एक छोटा सा मुस्कान भी रखिए। And as you exhale, you may slowly relax. श्वास छोड़ते छोड़ते विश्राम करिए। अभी हम आखिरी आसन करेंगे हमारा लोअर बैक पेन को मैनेज करने के लिए। विल डू द लास्ट पोज टू help us manage our lower back pain. Stretch your hands to the sides. We'll do the lying down twisting Natarajasana. Now place your right foot on the left knee and with your left hand gently pull your right knee to the left side and turn and look towards your right palm. Now in this, make sure your right shoulder is fully rested on the floor. दाएं घुटनों को बाएं तरफ नीचे खींचिए और दाएं तरफ मोड़ के देखिए। Make sure your left knee is straight. It's okay if your knee does not touch the floor, but make sure your right shoulder is on the floor. Inhale slowly, roll back to the center, exhale, straighten the legs. Now to the other side, अभी विपरीत दिशा में मोड़ेंगे, left foot on the right knee and pull your left knee to the right side close to the floor and turn and look towards your left palm. Keep breathing, keep your left shoulder on the mat. श्वास को रुकिए मत, चलने दीजिए। And inhale, roll back to the center and relax. वापस सेंटर में आ जाएं. Bring your hands close to the body. Now we'll do one counter pose just to balance the body from all these asanas we have practiced. एक counter pose करेंगे अभी. Pavan Muktasana. Bend the knees, lift your legs up and wrap your arms around the legs and pull your thighs into your tummy. Now if this is difficult, if you have any issues with the knee, so you can hold from behind the thighs and pull the legs in. दोनों घुटनों को मोड़िए और हाथ से पैर को पकड़िए और पेट के अंदर खींचिए पैर को. Breathe in and as you breathe out, lift your head up and bring your nose in between the knees. नाक को दोनों घुटनों के बीच में रखिए. Now if you find this difficult, you can keep your head down, whatever is comfortable for you. Slowly and gently you may relax. धीरे धीरे विश्राम करिए. Stretch your legs out and let the whole body relax. सब प्रयत्न छोड़कर विश्राम करिए. If you wish to, you may continue to relax in Shavasana for a couple of minutes. अगर आपको लगे 2 और मिनट विश्राम करिए शवासन में. ओम शांति शांति शांति. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Become aware of your whole body and slowly roll over to your right side. धीरे धीरे दाएं तरफ करवट लीजिए. And with the support of your hands, you may sit up. धीरे धीरे उठकर बैठ जाएं. Take a deep breath in and breathe out with a smile. And slowly and gently, you may open your eyes. धीरे धीरे आंखें खोल सकते हैं. How are you feeling? कैसे लग रहा है? Is your back feeling stronger now? ऐसा लग रहा है ना back बहुत मजबूत हो गया, right? So you practice this every day, right? Ideally speaking, you should do a holistic practice where you are doing some pranayamas, some asanas, some relaxation, some meditation. But definitely if you keep practicing these 5 asanas every day, then your back will become very strong. Now, let us know in the comment section how today's practice was, and like this video and share this video with all your friends and colleagues, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. This channel has so many different videos for different aspects of health and so many different yoga practices, and do check it out. Namaste.